So next we're gonna do a hardness score. All right, so hardness is essentially calcium, magnesium that comes through your pipes in form of rocks. What we find down here is water is moderately hard on city. When we get into wells, it's like I said, it's a little different story. But what we're going to do today is test for hardness. So we're going to use the outside water, which again will be on the right, and then we will use filtered water. On the left. So here's how we'll detect hardness, and it's measured in grains per gallon. It's an old wheat measurement. For whatever reason, the water industry kept that as a measurement of hardness. So we will put 3 drops in each one of these. This is the filtered water. This is the non-filtered water. All right, this next dye that I put in the water, if hardness is present, the water will turn pink. If the water is soft, there's no hardness, it will turn navy blue or like a dark purple. So this one should turn purple, this one should turn pink. We'll shake these up. So this is what you want. That means there is 0 hardness present. And this, when it turns pink, tells us that there is hardness present. So here's how we get your hardness score. So with the third solution, for every drop, that represents a grain per gallon of hardness. All right. So what we see down here is usually around, I've seen as low as a 4. I've seen as high as a 10. So it really depends on where you are, what you're doing, what water supply you're utilizing. So I usually start with 3. 1, 2, 3. Give it a little shake. So what we're wanting this to do is turn this color, and that's when we know. So right now we're at 3 grains per gallon hardness. 4, 5, 6. So there it went. So you can see that the hardness of the sample that we just used would be between a 5 and a 6 grains per gallon hardness. That's again what's causing your soap scum, your buildup, your dry skin, your dry hair. So that's important when we put in the system, what your hardness score is, and that knows, what to treat. It's going to remove all that calcium and magnesium and replace it with that ion exchange filtration. Okay.